Hello beauties, welcome again to Winnie Styles. I just want you guys to please check out the short natural hairstyles that will really keep you on thread in this 2026. This hairstyle today will help you to navigate our exclusive selection of trend-setting ideas. When it comes to Insta-ready undercut pixies, we've got the inspirational ideas on excellent example of a hairstyle that really entitles a strong yet feminine image. As one of the most low maintenance options, short natural hairstyles can always flatter your face and your fine hair. So if you're really looking for that perfect short hairstyle to really make your fine hair appear fuller, here in Wendy Styles, we've got you covered with expert haircut recommendations and styling tips. Don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time here in Wendy Styles. Okay, then I want you guys to check out the styles we have. Can't you see this style? Isn't it so classy and simple? So this is a style because if you're really looking out for stylish short natural haircut for women over 50, here on this channel we've got you covered with these beautiful styles that will take many years off your age and make you look so beautiful. And one beautiful thing about the style is that it's versatile, it's cute, and it's easy to style. It will always boost your volume, add rack movement to your hair, and frame your face with stylish short layered curls that are easy to maintain. Please try watch this video to the end. Okay, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new videos, and let us know your minds in the comment section below. I just want to say a big thank you to everyone hearing my voice. God bless you guys. Say look to Wendy Styles and see you in my next upload. Bye for now.